Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my version for rice and peas. This is just the way that I make it, so if any Jamaicans are watching, guys, please don't be offended. This is just the way I make it. So let me jump straight into this one. It's going to be a super easy recipe and it's going to be quick to put together. We're going to start off this recipe by using canned red beans. Yes, I said canned, because I wanted to make a really quick version of this. We're using the canned because it's already pre-boiled, but if you wanted to boil your beans, by all means you can boil your beans. I'm using 2 tins of the dark red. You can use any type of beans you like. I'm going in with some complete seasoning to add a little more flavor, which is totally optional. And then I'll go in with some chopped scallions, or sife as we say in Trinidad, 6 pimento berries. This has nothing to do with pimento pepper, it's something that's totally different. And I'm just going to give that a quick mix, and I'll add in a few cloves of crushed garlic. Now I'm going to add in my coconut cream. You'll see how rich the cream is. If you want, you can also use coconut milk. If you're using cream, you'll see I used half the amount. If you're using milk, double the milk. Now to this we're going to add in 1.5 cups of water, or vegetable broth, or chicken broth, whatever you want to use, or bone broth. Now I'm going to go in with my washed white basmati rice. It was not soaked ahead of time. Give that a mix, and what you can do is taste the liquid that it's going to be boiling in and make sure it has enough salt to your liking. You could always add some more salt, and bring this up back to a simmer. And then we're going to cover it and allow it to cook on a medium low heat for 12 minutes. So once it's finished, you can take a peep, make sure that the liquid has dried out, and then move it aside and allow it to cool down. After it cools down, then we'll go in and fluff up the rice. So using a fork, go ahead and take your time and fluff up the rice. You'll see that there's no additional moisture in the rice. The liquid has dried out. And look how perfect that looks. And that's it. It's now ready to be enjoyed. You can serve this with any type of side like baked chicken, but today I'm serving it with my stovetop jerk chicken bites. And the recipe I'll link as an end card. And it's the recipe just before this on YouTube if you're searching for it, and I'll also link it in the description box for you all. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Try it, let me know what you think. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.